In a coastal town, a dolphin named Luna gracefully swims alongside the boats. Luna has become a beloved part of the community, often seen playing with children by the shore. Every morning, fishermen are greeted by Luna's playful antics, bringing smiles to their faces. Tourists gather to catch a glimpse of Luna, amazed by her gentle nature and intelligence. Local residents share stories of Luna's interactions, each tale more heartwarming than the last. As the sun sets, Luna continues to dance in the waves, a symbol of harmony between humans and nature. Luna's presence reminds everyone of the beauty and joy that comes from living in harmony with the ocean. Like and subscribe.